I am the girl gardener, and this is my cottage garden. I don't live in a cottage, it's just a cottage garden, and it's 5 years in the making. As promised in last week's video, this is how the vegetable patch has come along so far after adding the manure and having a little bit of a tidy up. I came out today to carry on with this, and despite the calm weather and sunshine, it is bitterly cold, but I at least want to try and get something done. This is what's left over from when I collected wood chips from my local farm. It's been sat there for I think a couple of months now, maybe even 3 months, and it has pretty much all broken down and turned it into some really good mulch here. So I'm just using it to add on into this bed. The bag, on the other hand, can just go in the bin. some of my seedlings are doing pretty well, and so that hopefully doesn't change. I'm watering them using a milk bottle with holes in the lid that have been made with a hot pin. Disclaimer, do exercise caution if you decide to do this at home yourself. This makes for much gentler watering for small, delicate seedlings. Normally throwing a little bit of soil on top of that will prevent all those little flies, but this time I haven't bothered with it. On Friday we had Storm Eowyn come to visit us, which was similar to Storm Dara, but I know that in Ireland and Scotland it's been pretty bad with over 100-mile-per-hour winds. And I hope that everyone who is being affected by the storm is keeping safe. That's all I've got time for this week. I hope you enjoyed watching. Oh, and also I've changed all the batteries in my smoke alarms, so you won't be hearing any annoying beeps for the foreseeable future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.